Hey guys, Model Man Frank here. Well, you can see it. It's back together. Took a little while. I still have to put some heat to it on the shrink on the monocoat there. The plexi's on. If you watched the last video, I'll put a link to this video on this video to it, so you can see how I did the plexi. You can see it's all glued in nicely. And I got the canopy back on. Sorry, the windshield's back on. Everything's hooked up. I just have to put the prop on and the hub, and it's ready to go. But before I do that, I'm just gonna clean this up here with some epoxy. And I have a little filler. As you can see here, it really does need it, because I just don't like the way that looks. So, but other than that, it's all set to go. I am gonna put the pants, the flares back on, but I'm gonna make them out of solid wood instead of this stuff here. I actually got sheet plastic. I'll probably make it out of sheet plastic instead. I think it'll look better that way. So yeah, but I'm psyched, man. I'm so happy that I got it back together. I guess my building skills are pretty good. But yeah, I will put out a flying video probably within the next 2 weeks. Plane's not going to fly this week. Definitely when I get to fly it, I will fly it, and you guys will be able to watch it on there. And yeah, it looks really good. I'm really happy with it. Lessons learned: never fly on a windy day with this plane. This plane does not do well in gusty days. It's a gentle flyer. It's not a windy day flyer. It is a plane that you take care of and hold on to for a while. So lesson learned: don't fly it on windy days, and just enjoy it. Hopefully I don't have another crash like that with this bird. So but y'all, do me a favor, make sure you hit the thumbs up button, like, and share the video if you can. Share the video up with your other friends. Show them, hey, look, I wish they had plans for this plane. And if you don't share the video, I mean, listen, I'm glad that you were able to tune in and watch the rebuild process. And if you're just seeing this video for the first time and you want to watch the rebuild process, check the link. Check at the end of this. I'll have it on the side here. You can actually check the end of it'll be on the little box on the side here. Or you can check the bottom in the description box, and you can find a link to the first video, and then you can go through the whole playlist and check it all out. All right, but yeah, all right, guys, that's it for now. Catch you on the next one's Model Man Frank out. See you.